The Christchurch Wastewater Treatment Plant, also known as the Bromley Sewage Plant, is the main wastewater treatment plant of Christchurch, New Zealand. It is located in the suburb of Bromley, adjacent to the Avon Heathcote Estuary. Opened in 1962, it replaced an earlier sewage disposal farm that had operated since 1882. In late 2021, 2 anaerobic digesters burned down and adjacent suburbs have since been subjected to a putrid smell. Before the modern plant opened in 1962, the Christchurch Drainage Board operated a smaller facility that was known as the Sewage Farm. The Christchurch Drainage Board was set up in 1875, and its first chairperson was the then Mayor of Christchurch, Fred Hobbs, who defined the role of the organization as such. The system was fully operational by late 1882. Sewage was disposed onto sandy soil and percolated through the soil into drains that, in turn, discharged into the estuary. The pumping station in Linwood's Tuam Street was a major facility to get the sewage to Bromley. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.